Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. Allah bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet tops ideas. Please viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to last because these designs are so stunning and unique. First of all, thank you friends for supporting me. Please viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these unique and decent crochet ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors, different decent and unique crochet tops articles. You can design your articles with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. You can see more beautiful and unique crochet articles from my channel. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayer friends. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.